Okay, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Let me just turn that down. Good morning to a Friday. A Friday in bright Leeds. So welcome, everyone. Let's get into this. Wow, looking at the daily time frame yesterday, and gold closed bullish. Looking like no bottom wick yesterday as well. Wow. Another candle to support the confirmation of us to drive to continue bullish. To potentially continue back down, back up to the high, 1780. Very, very good. So yeah, daily time frame, as I said, looking like we are bullish still, holding this bullish trend. Yesterday, I haven't actually checked after NY, but NY session was obviously a bit dry because bank holiday, but that's what you get given. Yeah, 4-hour time frame looking like we've been ranging really since Wednesday, Wednesday at like 10 o'clock. So haven't really moved much since. 4-hour time frame has kind of rejected the certain high and broken the low of the previous right now. But looking like we may be in a little bit of consolidation at the moment. Take a look at the 30-minute and the 15. Okay, so in terms of price right now, for me, I've got a level. Price seems to hold, which is this level here. Okay, and that also coincides with this resistance there. So my current support is going to be probably around here. So 1752 is the current support. Let's take a look at how it looks like in the 30. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice. So why would I want to take trades? That is the question. In terms of a... Ooh, do we have a trend line there? In terms of a gold, we've got a sell below. Potentially, do I want it below there? Well, let's see, right? So, if you get a closure below 1752, you'll be below Asian lows, and we'll continue further down to this next support, which is 30 pips away. So, yeah, I think 30 pips is pretty good. 1749. And then in terms of the zone below, we should potentially continue further to this level here, which would be a very, very nice level to continue to, which would be a nice clean candle. So like from 1748 to 1746.5, that would be a beautiful target. Yeah. So that would be nice in terms of taking sells later on, potentially. But yeah, in terms of yesterday, looking like we just ranged here. Look at that. Straight range, so... Another bank holiday where price didn't really do much. Sells below 1752.45. Beautiful stuff. Let's take a look for the trend line. Let's take a look. Actually, I'll move that there as well so I can see the chat. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Need a weekend lo-fi track on. Yeah. Let's go rebound a little bit. Take a little W retest. Interesting. Yeah, not selling one. Was there actually a tap below, maybe? Look down here. We've got one tap there. I've got two taps there. And I got really a third tap there. It's actually not too bad. And a sell below there would be... Yes, 20 pips. So that could be quite an interesting one later on, actually. Obviously, right now, in terms of taking sells, though, it seems to be holding this trend. The 30-minute time close bullish on it. But once you break that level, I think we could be quite good for that, actually. So that would be good. In terms of taking a buy, where do I want to take a buy? Well, let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, we've got kind of a lot of traffic, if I'm honest. And we were at that level yesterday, guys. Remember how much we were ranging yesterday and we couldn't break this fucking high? Where was it? Yeah, like 1758. Did anyone try and take these buys? How many people got absolutely bumper clattered here? My god, it even came back up at 330 and rejected again. So I always say this, man, if you reject it, you know, a couple times at the start, it's not even worth trying to take the trade in the end, man. Just leave it alone. Not even worth it. So yeah, just do this. Not even worth it. So let's do this here. So yeah. Let me just put this on here. So this is current resistance. Right here, 1759.7. Right there. And in terms of where I want to take a buy above, where could we target? Yeah, we could target up to these highs. But as I said, I'm going to be very, very cautious with these buys because we didn't like it yesterday and we may not like it again today. So I'm going to be a little bit cautious with that, I think. As I don't really like the zone. 30-minute time frame obviously closed bullish, looking like it's made the lower wick now. 5-minute time frame, yeah. If it breaks this high, it could be good to maybe drive up a little bit further. But in terms of higher time frame for me, 4-hour resistance right there. I'm going to be patiently waiting for maybe buys a little much higher up. Yeah, I'll probably move that on the 15 there of 1760. So then continue to 1765. So good stuff. Good morning, my hero. Good morning, good morning. So I'll write this on here. Write this on right there. Buys above 1760.145. Okay, good stuff. So there we are for gold. Pretty happy with it. Let me went down to the IC candle. Now I can push back up. Yeah, did it touch it? Take a look. Yeah, touched it. So how much profit would you be in if you just took that? Stop loss would be 9 pips, already up kind of 9 pips. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, it's freezing in here. My god. It's bloody freezing. Let me just go here. Perfect tap on the 5. Yeah, that was pretty nice, eh? Oh, yes. So yeah, pretty good analysis for gold. I'm happy to take really the sells, to be honest with you. Even though the higher time frames on the daily looks good for continuation of these buys, I'm going to be a little bit cautious with these buys unless we get above 1760. So I'll do that. I'm waiting now to see if the neckline push the price down for the sales. Or closure below trend. Yeah. Closure above trend line? Do you not like this closure below trend line? Let me just go here. Wowza. GJ looks a bit shocking. Okay, let's take a look at the higher time frame. Yeah, last daily time frame closed bearish, broke the low, didn't break the high. Didn't really close below the current daily support though. For me here, like this is the daily support at 167,800. But anyhow, let me just put this on here. Yeah, so daily time frame bearish right now. It's made the top wick, which is 168,250. Then rejected 250 and started to push down. 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see the candles before haven't really been printing very well, suggesting a range. Suggesting that price is in a little bit of a consolidation. We're also in between the daily flip and the 4-hour flip, normally in a very, very sticky situation there. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly closed bullish, rejected the lows, and yeah, nothing really for a push either. So looking like we're in quite a big consolidation area here. Take a look at the 30. You can start to see the supports and where price is just holding. Let's take a look on the 50-minute time frames. I think current support is probably down to here. Obviously below there, then there's supports down there, and then you look and you go, this is really not that nice. It's not that nice to take trades in, really. Yeah, the hourly time frames down here seem to be rejecting quite hard. So where would I want to take a selling trade is the next question. Yeah, maybe a sell below 167 flat, to be honest with you. 167 100 maybe. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, maybe a little higher up. Because realistically here, this price action for the sellers is rather crap. I don't like it too much. And even so, if you got down there, the 4-hour supports are right there. So yeah, I don't really like sells on GJ at all, to be honest. Yeah, I don't like it at all. In terms of buys, where also do I want buys? Yeah, kind of still sticky situation. Very bad price action. So 168 300. So I don't really like anything about GJ this morning, to be honest with you. The zones are choppy. The price action is very, very rangy. So yeah, I'm not going to be looking at GJ much this morning. Is EJ any different? Yeah, EJ still looks pretty hard as well, actually. Maybe a little bit easier. Maybe a closure above 144.623, 630. Realistically, there's nothing too much there. GJ 4-hour if closed below. Yeah, but look at the 4-hour though. 2 hours, 47 minutes left. It's gonna close below a lot of crap. So GJ whole week, just grab your liquidity. Next week it's gonna rocket either direction. Yeah. Yeah, have we taken any trades in GJ this week? I think we have. Have we? Let's take a look. Yeah, no trades taken on GJ this week. Pretty shit. Then we can think about a sell. Yeah, 100%. So I actually fancy a bit of lo-fi. A bit of lo-fi. And there we go. We're ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this trend line because I think this is probably the nicest one to continue back down to the lows as well. So I'll be pretty happy with that. Below 167 500. I think it's below 167 500. Yeah, it's below the 4-hour support then, wouldn't it be? But then just the way it moved down before, it wasn't nice. It came back up. Ugh. This is at 12:30. So we'll see. Hey Max, can you tell me what is onion play? Onion play is like a support forming. So right now on gold daily time frame, we are doing an onion. So it's just when price like makes a high or a low, we then come down. This is the onion forming right here, and then this is the onion play to continue and retest the highs. So obviously, it's just that on any time frame. Gold 1-hour tomato play. Right, it's the tomato play. Did anyone take any trades this morning? I didn't really see too much this morning. In terms of early on, it's pretty choppy. In terms of areas, has there been that many trades really recently? This like really early in the morning. There's been maybe a GJ one, I think, like 5-6 a.m. But the fucking spreads are huge. So I kind of want to take any GJ trades. Only for gold. So this 30 minutes coming back down. Hourly time frame 2. 4 hours still got that resistance there. Daily's bearish. So hopefully we can get this closure below, potentially. That would be great. Let me just have this on ready. Actually, I'll just use this one here. It is more like a cucumber play today. There's a lot of different plays today, eh? Sell at an oblique 1754.8. But yeah, in terms of a Friday, oh my god, we need to look back on the trades taken, look on the potential things that you could have done maybe better. For me personally, if I look at this week as a whole, I think I did pretty well, apart from maybe missing 2 trades that I would have liked to have taken. One was on news though, to be fair, and one I just missed. From brushing my teeth. But for the most part, all the trades I wanted to take, I took. And in terms of managing risk, I did very, very well. So actually this week's been pretty good. But yeah, Friday is a time for reflection and, you know, looking at what you could have done maybe a little bit better, or also praising yourself, you know. Praising yourself of what you did well. So stop loss would be 1756.3. So a bit like there. 1753.2. And then continue back down to 1752.45. Imagine if that Ghana cheeky player from behind did score last minute. Oh my god. Mate, some of these World Cup games were mad. You see the Brazil goals last night? Oh my god. Your yesterday's stream banned because of some copyright? Yeah. Oh yes. I got copyrighted to fuck. So look at the 30-minute, broke 30-minute lows. The hourlies filled that zone, 4 hours rejected. It's a nice one. Ah, you're pushing too hard. Relax, boy. Relax. You relax, brother. Let me out there. So yeah, the retest will be quite far away.
Morning, Matt.
Morning, Paulie. How you doing?
All good, man. All good.
Good stuff. Good stuff. That's what I like to hear.
Last night was freezing, man. Last night was cold.
It's getting a bit nippy, eh? Getting a bit chilly, So yeah, we'll see with this 5-minute closure, see how much we can wick back up. 1754.8 would be nice. 1754.8. To then continue further below. The only cause of concern is the hourly support there, innit? Setting into big support, yeah, I do agree. I'm looking at it on the hourly. I think it's maybe pushed a little bit too far for me. I'm also a little bit so for me here, right, we're at hourly support, and also if you look at the 5-minute, the retest would be there, but realistically it could come all the way back up there. So I think I might miss this one, unfortunately. Let's take a look. If I put a line on with the hourlies, yeah, I've already came and tapped the supports. Yeah. 30-minute, the retest would be a little bit higher as well, so I don't think it's the best. If not, we can just wait below 1752. That's okay. Kind of wanted to clear all of these wicks to the left because this has been holding since Wednesday, so it's quite a big support, right? Quite a large support. Yeah, GJ doing fuck all. GJ doing fuck all. So what percentage gain did people get this week? What percentage gain? Put it in the chat, guys. What did you guys get? For me, I think it's a light 3.2. 3.2%. Which is pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Look at the 3-minute time frames. Oh my god, look how many no top wicks. Continuing back down to the low. See how it reacts at the support. 2.3%. Nice. 0.9. Beautiful stuff. 25%. Nice. There's always someone. 2%, 1.2%, 2.8, minus 0.5, minus 0.8, 4.7, 4%, 1.2. Nice. So looking at like even if people in the negative, they're not too negative. I haven't seen them proper negative. If not, my PC error rating would be about 30%. 6.5, very nice, Itachi. Great work. Some good gains, some good gains. Yeah, and especially when how GG really hasn't been doing much with us either. There's been a lot of there's been a lot of closure back in the zone retest on GG. You know what I mean? Like they've been reacting on support, closing bullish. This kind of comes and wicks back down. Been quite a lot of them. Is November going hard for you to trade than previous months? It's okay. It's in terms of win rate, yeah, I'd say so. But in terms of percentage gain, no, it's still around about 8 pips. 8% so far. So no, it's been fine. It's been fine and dandy. But in terms of October difference, then yeah, because the only difference really is obviously a lot of break evens. And also you need to remember, I took a lot of L's right at the start, but realistically, that was minus 2 pips, that was minus 2 pips, minus 5 pips, minus 6. So realistically, if you put all them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, took 4 L's, which are only like 11 or 12 pips, like total. So I guess that down to 12 wins, really 6 or 7 losses. Then it looks much better. Obviously, 14 break evens is still a factor really for the month. If a lot of those 13, 14 break evens got maybe 1% to them, then we'd be up like the same as the month before, which is good, 17%. But yeah, there's been a lot of break evens, a lot of I'd say a lot of continuation. Like there hasn't been much continuation in terms of trades. It's been stuck in ranges for most of the month. So if you're down on the month, or a little bit small down on the month, then you're still doing well. As long as you're not over risking, you're not like, losing a lot. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Just take a look. What was that posted last night? Oh yeah. If you guys are in the negative, then think it's just a trade away from the top 90%. Exactly. Oh yes. We are live on YouTube right now. Come and join the squad. Let's see what we can get today. Looking for gold sales, maybe a little bit further below 1752.5 to finish off this beautiful week. Started with 3k this month, now 14. Oh wow, very nice. I'm gonna be on Insta story. Let me do something here. Let me do something. So yeah, looking like GG, Goldie's still chilling about, right? But we know it's at hourly support, so yeah, all the other time frames look good, but the hourly one, we were pretty much tapping into support already. The zone was very small. Spain versus Germany this Sunday? Oh my god. That's mad, Tom. I bet you're fucking pissed off at that. Still though, you recouped it.
Good morning, boys.
Morning. How you doing?
Good. Just got home from Thanksgiving dinner.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What'd you guys eat there? Like turkey and that?
Yeah, turkey, cranberry stuffing, pie.
stuffing. I do love stuffing me. Is it a family or is it like friends as well? Like what's the demographic? Depends.
Today was family and then like close family friends, and then normally like the weekend before it, you'll do like a friendsgiving. So you meet up with friends and do like a dinner. But that's not like an official thing, but a lot of people do it.
Yeah.
Friendsgiving.
Directions left and right, please. Lord Bellingham. Oh my god. England versus US today. Oh my god. Make your bets. We'll have to see. Yeah. Looking like goalie's coming back up, reacting off that support, so I'm going to get rid of this trend line now. Oh yeah, it's against USA as well, yeah. Oh, let's see if the USA's are all talk, man. They keep on saying that if we put our best players on, we'd be great. I literally saw them on TikTok. They were like, if we had like LeBron as centre back, oh my god. We'll see how the team plays. Yeah, the goal last night from Richarlison. Did people see it? Oh my god, it's pretty good, man. Pretty good. It was pretty fire. Let me show you it. Yeah, what a goal. Yeah.
That's the worst thing I could do.
Fully singing today. Look at this goal. Oh, what a fucking goal. Man, that was a sick goal. Imagine scoring that in a World Cup. My god. He fucking controlled it as well. It's even better. I like it when they control it. Meow. That was sick. Why is London session late by an hour? I don't know. I just think it's maybe a lack of volume this week in terms of just pushing. So I'm in gold. Oh, did you get the retest? A little bit higher up. Oh, did they go and touch it yet? We got pretty close. Second goal is anime level. Sell out the celery. Oh. See if it can hold on. 50 minutes going to close over here. See if it closes below. Still 30 minutes celery play, which is good. Don't want to spoil it, but Portugal is going to be in the finals. I don't know. After playing a shit game yesterday, they did not play well at all yesterday. They weren't too good. So 30-minute time for his just close, 50-minute close, a little bit below, but yeah, I'm gonna leave this zone out over here. It's the same as GJ really. I can't believe they nearly lost it in the last minute. So oh my god. Hey Max, GJ 30-minute, if crosses top last 30-minute can be bought. You mean like if this breaks the there? When the candle was on, you know, for me, the left-hand side, there's too much resistance. Nobody take the 5-minute OB on gold. For me, I like it when it pushes off Brian. Does that not piss you off here, Brian, that this has already mitigated it? It doesn't just rinse off it. How big are the stops though? Stops are good. 10 pepperoonies. Nice, still seized him, man. Yeah. Very nice. Take a look here. And break even. Oh. It was a good option though, actually. Yeah, the thing is, it didn't really come and properly tap it on the daily flip as well. Any item you're eyeing for Black Friday sales? Yeah, man, I'm buying pretty much all Christmas gifts today. Oh yes.
I got a steal on some PlayStation 5 controllers on Black Friday.
You've got a what?
My PlayStation 5 controller broke, so I haven't been able
Oh.
to play like God and nothing because it's dangerous.
Really?
So I waited till Black Friday and I got like a 22 PS5 controllers for £25 each.
Wow.
Normally they're £60 alone. I got two for like the price of one.
Is it like out right now? Black Friday is here. Oh
mate, don't give me anxiety, Max, about Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Thing is that I just do it all in one day. I think in the people idea, yeah, all in one day. I'll buy it off. I'll have about fucking 30,000 Amazon parcels, but I know after that I'm done. Don't have to think about it anymore.
It kind of makes me happy that I don't like celebrate Christmas from that because I ain't got to go through that.
Yeah. Oh, let's see the coffee machines. That looks 42% off. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. I'm getting fucking it. Well, does anyone know which one I can make a nice cappuccino on? Because I'm gonna have to do the fucking research today as well. I don't want
that one definitely, no.
Do you think?
Yeah, that looks like it's got the steamer and everything.
Yeah, look at that, man.
Yeah. But is I don't want it. The thing is, it looks like it's pods. Yeah, it's capsules. I don't want capsules. I want motherfucking beans.
You want
bro.
the thing on top with the beans.
I want the fucking beans. Yeah, I don't want this. I can get one of them as well. Oh, mate, I'm gonna have a party. This is the robot vacuum cleaners that you can get. Like, I wonder how much they're expensive.
Oh yeah, I got a Roomba. I love that thing.
Yeah, Roomba ones.
Are they good?
Mate, yeah, they do their job. They go around, they do their shit. Go back home, vibe a little bit.
Oh wow.
Yeah, get the Sage machine. What's that? Someone sent me right now a coffee machine that has the beans, has the frother, and makes the coffees that I drink like in coffee shops because that shit is bomb. Any discount for Lamborghini? Lamborghini? Is that
Lamborghini?
Is that Lamborghini? Or I think he's also talking about a coffee machine. I bought Sage the Oracle. Wait, what's that? Oh, okay. That one looks like it uses. Has it got a frother though? It looks like it does. 45,000 5-star reviews, so it must be good. Why the fuck is it not loading up? Website crashing.
You broke Amazon. That's...
You what?
You broke Amazon.
Yeah. What the fuck? Where did it just go? Black Friday deal.
Hey, but for Amazon, aren't the deals better?
What?
Aren't the deals better on Monday for Amazon? For Cyber Monday?
Yeah. It's all the same, innit?
Mm.
Brown gas cut the cells and gold. Yeah, looking like they came back to retest again. And now they're starting to play out, which is good. Very, very nice. GJ obviously still messing around in this area. Still messing around. Sage. Fuck off. Oh, water filter. Is it a water filter? Oh shit. This is the dog's bollocks. Yes. That's the proper one.
For $2
Mate,
grand.
this is lagging, bro. There's too many people on this bloody website. Look at that. You can actually just, it's got an LED screen as well. Shit. Nice.
$2 grand.
Yeah. I have one done. It was a bit expensive, but all depends on what beans you buy. I usually buy some mixed bags, yeah. Oh, very nice, very nice. Revel Burst Touch. Let's take a look at that one while we're waiting. Why does it have this Amazon exclusive? They're really trying to sell me this one, aren't they? My God. Thing is though, when it comes to actually like the actual day, you always forget to what you want to buy. Oh, some slippers would be good actually. It's getting a little bit cold now. The slippers could be good. Let's take a look at the 30 as well, and the hourly of this, yeah. When did we actually start on Monday? When did we start? Yeah, so we've pushed up, but most of the move was, pretty much all of the move was done on Monday. The big drive up. Apart from that, it's not really done much after. So Bash got the cells 1759.7, 1 to 10 RR. Very nice. Very, very nice. You know you're growing old when you get excited about slippers. To be honest, it's just Black Friday, innit? I'm just looking for something to fucking buy, to be honest. Lightning deals. Like, just look at this random shit. I'll actually see on iPhones because I'm still thinking about buying one, but I just don't want to buy a new one. I just think they're a bit of shit. Oh, they've got quite a lot of discount, to be fair. Fucking 1.2k for a fucking iPhone 13. It's not even the new one. I think they're getting a bit too expensive in terms of what they do, man. I think they're shit. I entered gold on the 30-minute flip. Very, very nice. To continue back down to the lows now. Looking like it's going to do it. Good stuff. See how it reacts to this hourly and 4-hour support.
Every fucking paper trade I take wins. And every fucking one that I don't take paper, I end up fucking about with.
In terms of the 5-minute trend line, I did hold, which was nice, and it came to exactly where we wanted.
I took it on like the 15-minute. It didn't quite tap, but it got close enough, and it worked out. But I don't know if that was a Dumbo trade.
No, it's good stuff.
Is it? It didn't actually tap max.
Yeah, but it got close enough. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Start of the 15 as well. This next candle's coming to wick back up. I would like to get in here, to be honest with you, this retest, but the stops 15, TP would be 15. Is anyone looking at this? Got the 15-minute timer. I've got 4 minutes left.
I don't think the zone looks nice. That support level.
Yep. 73.8. Stop loss will be 70.55. Right it back down to the lows. I'll change the TPs in a second. Okay, so... Oh shit, my magic keys. My magic keys! Start of this new candle. Okay, so see how we can get down over here. Down, 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 down. Get down, 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 down. Okay, beautiful. So, going a little bit later, but it's okay. 16 pips. Obviously to the low would be nice. 13 pip gain. I think it'll break previous lows. Lots of stop loss below that. Yeah. Yeah. I think we can at least get down to them lows and then we should be good. Nice bearish volume though. So as long as we flip this candle, we should be nice. Go break even when we break the previous low and then we should be good. Have you had a trim? You looking fresh? Yes. The trim. The trim. Let me move my TPs now. So obviously we've got 50 minutes left for this 8 o'clock candle as well, which is Gucci. Gucci man. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Let's take a look here. Sub max, sub. Yeah, did the quiz last night. It was well fun again. They did some harder rounds actually. They made some rounds so random people could win, which is a bit annoying because normally we just beat everyone. We just smash them at the park, boy. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Do 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 do. So when this 5-minute candle flips, I'm gonna go break even. It's a bit of a bigger lot there because my magic key's done. I just click sell on the terminal. Took this gold in the first 50 minute of the pre-London as it broke. Nice. Very, very nice. So it's towards this 50-minute time frame. I kind of want this to just drive back down. I'm just gonna go break even here. We've got the reaction of the area I wanted it to do. So if we stay on, great. If not, I don't really care too much now because obviously the 15's starting. Next candle may have to make a top wick and we're also still at the support. I kind of wanted the drive down to the support. I also know that this area is a beautiful break and retest in the 5-minute time frame, and we normally get the flip and the push and the drive that we need and we want. So we'll see if we can stay on. Oh, just about. Yeah, I'm out. Break even. So next cast to make a top wick. Obviously this zone, I wanted that move to be done before the 15. Break even hit. So just waited maybe a little bit lower, right? Next time for us to make a top wick and then maybe flip again. But it's okay. 1752.4 below is where I want it really. So I just thought with that, when I know there's a setup like this in terms of the way candles move here, I've got to take it, man, because normally the direction's beautiful. Okay, look at that. We made the top wick. Let me tap this out a little bit. Should break the lows now and continue back down. Let's take a look here. How can I send you my chart? Just take a screen. Take the camera to do the copied chart link and send me it. Okay, looking like we're pushing down now. Good stuff. Break them lows. 1752.45 would be gorgeous. Took this gold first 15 minute. Yeah, maybe after that 5-minute close bearish there and the rejection and, you know, tapping the wick. That might have been quite nice before. So there we go. Look, break the lows. If you still break even, see if it can continue down here. But as I say, you know, the zone in terms of the hourly and the 4 hour is still, you know, right there. I wanted this to make me the level, get to break even. If it pushes, great. If it doesn't, all Gucci. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's done fuck all. GJ's done fuck all. So let's see if we can get back down. These are obviously Asian lows as well, so we know this is quite a big support. But if we get a closure below on the 30, the 15, it would be beautiful. What are the football games actually on today as well? Who else are playing? World Cup. 10 o'clock Wales, Iran. I'm excited for the US game, mate. Oh, that'd be well fun. Yeah, we love this, especially this setup on a 5-minute trend line, the best. I love that when the candle closes below the retest entries on the trend line. Oh my god, it's the best. It's bloody gorgeous. Yeah, 5-minute, 3-minute just ranging. Nothing too much. So there we go. Looking at gold over here is starting to retrace. So let's tap pretty much the zone, right? Stop loss would have been. She got in there. Stop loss was 16 pips. You might have got 10 pips out of it. Maybe just about. Maybe just about. Let's look at this 1 minute OB that people have been talking about. Still in gold buy. Stop loss is 1752. TP is 1757. Oh, stop loss. What was your entry? And what makes you think that gold is a buy right now? You tell me. You tell me. What makes it look like a buy? Are you keeping the trade on because of hope? Holding your nutsacks off? Or is there actually a reason? Because for me here personally, daily time frame, obviously it's still bullish structure, but right now it's bearish. 4-hour time frame rejected the previous resistance and broke the previous low, also bearish. Hourly time frame is bearish, 30-minute time frame is bearish, 50-minute time frame is bullish. So no wick on the 30-minute and 4-hour. Is that on your broker, or because for mine they're all there? What is that? Is that the whole thing you've based your trade off, or is there anything else? Just be a little bit careful in terms of that. Normally that's extra confluence, maybe not to jump into a trade. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, GJ's fucking shit. No retest on the 30. What do you mean retest? Send me a chart. I want to see it. For me here, this is the retest in the 30 to continue down. Yeah. Oh my god, Finn. Okay, 8 minutes left for this Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Oh, people who'd have kept the retest on might have got stopped out there, came all the way back up. It's a shame. So 8 minutes left for this 30-minute. Obviously, in terms of the 30-minute, it'd be better to close it below this res, to be honest with you. Let's look how that looks like in the 15. Yeah. We'll see where it closes. Obviously, coming towards 8 o'clock open, which is good. Higher volume. That should be nice and tasty. Looking good, looking good. Get down, boy. Get down, boy. Passing that 4-hour support, which is nice as well. And it'll obviously be an hourly closure as well, so it'll be a good indicator if we can close below the support. It'd be better if it closed below this resistance, but beggars can't be choosers. We'll get what we're given. We'll get what we're given. Let me just take a look here. So I think this Friday morning's maybe a little bit of a waiting game. Nothing too much yet. Wonder how Kitten's doing in the other room. She's rather hungover, I think. There's no goodbye, baby. She's hanging. Yeah, you can see it's kind of ranging right on the 168 level. Still between the 4-hour and the daily flip as well. Not a good sign on GJ today. Not a good sign. I still haven't played that new game mode in COD. Well, what is it? I haven't looked at it. What's it called? New game mode.
What, tier 1? Or DMZ?
No.
DMZ.
DMZ, yeah. What is it?
It's like you got do missions and stuff, and there's like AI. It's quite cool actually.
Oh,
So
I fucking hate stuff with AI in it though. I'm not gonna lie. I
Yeah.
hate playing against people that aren't real people. Can't stand it. It just
You gotta play DMZ to get the M13.
is that the new gun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Max, can I ask why your zone is at 1752? Mine is at 1753.2. 1753.2. Because if you look at it in terms of levels, right? So always go back into zone, right? So for me, let's just look below, right? This level below, we have a support, price is held support here, and we have a resistance. So let's just call this one zone 1. Okay? So instead of, in your case, you put your line here, which makes sense, right? Because, you know, you could also say the support there, support's held with the bodies there, support's held with the bodies there. 100%. However, if you actually look on the zone below, from there to there in this area, you've had a rejection wick there, a rejection wick there, a rejection wick there, a rejection wick there. So you can't take trades in that area anyway. Rejection wicks there. However, you've also got an area, which is here, where price was resistance before. We always know when we're in a zone, so if we draw a zone here, like a zone from there to there, and then the zone above, like this, the zone 1, so if this is zone 1 and this is zone 2, zone 1 support is zone 2's resistance, right? Okay, so zone 1 support is zone 2's resistance. And that doesn't match up with this case if you had your line the way you want it, right? Because zone 2 that we had here, so let me just do this. This is zone 2. Zone 2 support is not zone 1's resistance, is it? So realistically, the actual zone starts here because this is zone 1's resistance, and zone 2 over here actually taps into the support every single time. Okay, so it's just like making it maybe clearer. If you got a closure below there, and you take a sell right there, you know there's rejection wicks here. You know the Asian lows are there, and realistically, the resistance / support now is there because that's where price held before. So this is the current actual level. So yeah, just making your zones making more sense, right? Drop loot missions. But there are rejections on the smaller timers, right? If you, for example, got a closure on the hourly below hourly support, but above these rejection wicks on the smaller time frame, would you take it? Depends how the candle's set up. Depends how much volume, I think. But in terms of the hourly time frame, realistically, I kind of actually want it to close below the hourly resistance here, which is 1752. So obviously the support is good confirmation as well. But for me here personally, I'd rather have it below this zone. So yeah, because I'll be still cautious that it can reject, right? I need a closure below all these wicks. And I want it below this resistance. Still, it's quite hard. Even in this, it's quite hard because look, the 30 is different to the 15. But the main one that I can see here is that the 15, the real resistance is this level here. Because we've tapped into it so many times. If you get a closure below there, we're good. What do you think, Max? Sweeping Asian lows, or are we finally going to break? I think we're going to break here. I think it's going to be nice for sell. Stop loss above is going to be 18 pips. $17.50 and then TP2 is 1746.6. %, no top wick. Don't jinx it.
Max, where are you looking if this closes below? What are you looking in terms of top wick?
Yeah, I don't really mind too much because the stop loss above the previous is not too bad. So as long as you get some kind of wick, probably a wick back up to the Asian bodies, that would be quite nice. But anything really, I'm not really too bothered. Ah, not before you cunt. Let's take a look here. How big stops would be 23 pips. Okay. There'll be too many positions short at the break. Do, 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 do. Retest entry. Where would the retest be? Hard one to say. 1750. Probably 1752.04. Looking like this is probably just going to continue here. Fucking volume, boy. Stop loss there, 23 pips. Zone is around about 22, so you could just take it on the flip. I would wait for a move up and then the tap for F. Yeah, fair value gap. We'll see. I'll still wait for the top wick if this next candle can push up, but I think this is going to not, to be honest. But I fib on that drop. Wait for a 50% move. Let's look at GJ. GJ 8 o'clock done absolutely jack all. It's done absolutely jack all. Make a top work. No bottom and top. I don't know what candle you're looking at. Mine has a little nipple. I don't really care too much. There's enough volume. 1754 I watch. Ooh. Yeah, I'll be looking to take a sell on the flip once you get to like 1752.5, I think, and then I can take it. back to touch the Asian lows. If you just want a nuts though, great. Do, do, do.
How you feeling about the OB from yesterday's low?
Where?
The one we're approaching?
Oh, the one we're approaching? Wait, where? So what do you just change it? Yes, I know what you mean. Well, that's a good target, eh? Do, do. And there we go. So the nice push start of the hourly candle. You just try to get in there over here. Stop loss above 24 pips, 13. Maybe get it to 22 if you're lucky. Maybe if you're lucky. Good volume though. GJ still not doing anything. I just made a little nipple wick. Have my trend line the 15 trend line? Where the fuck did you put it down? Oh, down here? Which trend line did you use, bro? On the 15? On the 15? So if you got in on the flip, yeah, 13 pip, stop loss is 22 though. So you kind of want a bit more out of this move. And you've got a you don't have a 1-to-1 yet. So see if you can drive down 1750. 1750 would be a good level to take some off. 1750. From that low rejection wick. Up there. Oh, like up here. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, same with the 5 that we talked about before from this one. Go just send to Amax. Yeah. Good volume, no? Nice. That's probably an area where you just take this out and just, you know. But I kind of wanted a little bit of a better stop. So I kind of want to wait in the next candle to make a top wick and then use current candle. Sorry, this candle to make a top wick and then use current candle. Stop to get the push. Are you not worried that the previous 5 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute hourly didn't close without a wick? I don't give a shit. It just shows it's good volume, man. And they also did close without a wick. With wicks, sorry. Just not big wicks. Looking like GJ is starting to reject the daily flip. But obviously in terms of the area, it's still a bit nasty. Still a little bit nasty.
I'm just on the Telegram for the OB. And I hope to get a reaction
on. Has it got close there yet or not?
Yeah, it was within. It was close. It reacted what? 2 pips away.
See, I still don't get them ones because it's still with the trend. It's already done the trend. But let's just see if it works out, you know.
Potential. We'll see.
Yeah. Moves without top wicks, move more aggressively, honestly. Yeah, 100%. It was more volume, right? Just pushes straight through it. Pushes straight through it. Has EJ done anything yet? EJ closed strongly bullish. 50-minute time frames. 5 minutes have been pushing up. Got a little bit of an OB level here, I think. Did that break the low? Did that break structure? Not really. Came back down to the lows. Anyone been eyeing this up on EJ? Is it 4-hour res as well? Yeah, it is. How much would your stops be? 14 pips. Also start of the hourly and it's got no bottom wick. I quite like that. It's cool. Pretty nice. See if that plays out.
Both rejecting hard.
Did it tap you in?
No.
Oh.
Let's see. On my terminal, it went to 50.06. I'm basically at 49.8.
Wow.
So 2.5 pips away, roughly. But still, I mean, we'll see. It can still react.
Yeah.
Just looking for a small 1-to-1. Just a little something, a little taste.
Something. Yeah. I think the perfect scenario for this was if this candle closed, opened up, wick down, wick to the body there, taking the sell there, and then the stop you could have on the 30 high. That was nice. Make sure if you want you buy it today. Black Friday sale. I don't know what you'd want with TradingView though. Like, what would you even pay for? Only the double screen. That's it. Like, the backtesting software is absolutely shit on it. Two screens and like unlimited alerts. That's the only thing I'd use it for. But you can get alerts online and stuff. So coming towards the next week, which is the last couple of days of the month, finishing off strong. Hopefully we can get to maybe 10% of those last couple of days. That would be pretty nice. I use it for trading. My broker is connected to them. Ah, yeah, that'd be sick. I would love it to do if they could do that. Who's looking to buy gold because already tapped a 5-minute candle and reacted? Maybe sweep the Asian lows. I don't know. I just didn't the 4 hours quite. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, my shoulder.
In my 4 hour on gold, I put the chart up, but added confluence to my trade.
Yeah. Well, the daily time frame, especially, like the daily.
What? So go to my chart.
Where is it? In the Telegram.
Telegram. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good break and retest, isn't it? It's on the daily or the 4 hour.
That's a 4 hour.
Yeah, yeah. Little W retest. I see.
The W with a little OB in there. I don't know. It could work out. It could not.
100%. Daily salary too. GJ. Look what someone put in the chat. GJ and then dollar money signs. I don't know what fucking money you're getting out of GJ right now, but it isn't fucking much.
It's that ranging dollar.
Yes. Imagine if you could do that on your broker. Just tell your broker, I make money if price just stays in this area. And fucking put it between 167,500 and 168.
That's the Steve trade.
Yeah, that's true. Just sitting there, as time goes on, you just gain compound. Just sits in the range. That's what I do. Oh.
Gold swoop.
Gold swooping.
Missed it by 2 pips.
Oh man, hey, you planned it out though. Good stuff. Closure back in the zone, a bit of a stretch. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see how it does. You know, we'll see how the closure is. Maybe the next 30 minutes.
Andre, it tapped your 5-minute and missed mine.
I missed yours. EJ still reacting off that little level I liked up here. Very nice. So far. What was I watching yesterday? Which one was I watching yesterday? Oh. Actually, no, you might not have done an Asian session in it. You might not have done an Asian session. David Beckham. Oh my god, David Beckham getting involved. And Apple getting involved with Manchester United. What the fuck?
Came from our chief reporter Kaveh Solikol, who's been across this story since it broke on Tuesday and joins us live. Kaveh, good afternoon. What's the latest on who's interested?
Oh, well, look, Nick, we've got the very unusual.
Do you know what I love? I love like the whole news reporters, like when they have to be at the place. Like, bro, you can just talk to us about the situation. You don't have to be there. It's like a fucking hurricane in Miami, and they're like, yeah, it's a bit fucking windy over here. No shit. Why are you there? $2.4 trillion company back in Man United. Oh my god, yeah. If you go virus, yeah. Let's take a look. I can't see a clean cut. Where is it? Is it in there? There. Yeah, I was thinking maybe that one. Nice. 37 likes. Some people are lazy. Yeah, man. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to like the stream. One little break-even trade there. Even if we held it on, it would have been break-even. It came back up to entry second time. But then did push, obviously, and then gold just launched over here, which is nice. But in terms of taking trades off, I think I would have held that, 8 o'clock volume. Stop loss was like 23 pips. You gained 14, 15. Yeah, it might have maybe closed some there. Especially if you know that there's areas of reaction down here. Yeah. So we flipped the 15-minute time frame on the hourly.
Perfect too.
Huh?
Yeah. It tapped that one on mine perfectly too. I went for the one right below it.
Further below one. I was a bit cautious of this level down here because this is a big break. I thought we might maybe skip this one and maybe come to 1746. Clean range up to 1757. Looking like we're coming back above, maybe swooping. Swoopity swoop.
Grab some liquidity for a bigger move.
Oh, stretch. Oh. Yeah, looks like a lot of people maybe on this Friday have left it. 50-minute close, but didn't close back above for me. Closed right at the res. Obviously, 30 minutes come back up. See how it reacts. Maybe tapping the bodies. See how it reacts there. If it closes back above, though, man, buys later on could be good. They could be pretty nice. Celery wick fill. Celery? What do you mean celery? Do you mean this down here? This is a rejection wick and also a celery. No, it's not a celery, bro. A celery in this case would be this. Next candle opens, doesn't break the high, breaks the low. It's breaking the low of the candle. And it's the rejection from the upside, so. Just remember that. That's what a celery looks like for a seller one here. Onion play on the 5-minute on gold. Yeah, I mean, it's, the 5 minutes are pushing up, which is great. But you need to remember that on the 5-minute, we could also just come back up to this level, which is Asian lows. Okay, and everyone's like, yeah, looks good. And then what you could do is you could get into a buy here. Taps Asian lows, next candle closes bearish, and then you are royally fucked. So if you get in early, then you know, great, you had it planned in terms of the OB. The break and retest guys are in now. Yes, exactly. You got to be in maybe a little bit earlier. I don't know what the fuck GJ's done today, but it is nothing interesting. Got back that drawdown, entered 5-minute OB. Oof, nice. See if this could continue. 12 minutes left for this candle, looking like it's pushing hard, eh? We got past the body of the candles yet? No, just tapped it really. See how it reacts there. See how it reacts. Because what can still happen here, as I said, is this can tap this level, reflip, and then come back down to the lows. Because when you get a break, it normally likes to retest, especially the level it's just broken out of. And that is the level it's just broken out of, 1753. Right, that far. Close at 15 before taking a trade. Did anyone take any GJ trades this morning? Did you use to trade all pairs? When did you decide to trade GJ in gold? Well, I learned from someone who just traded GJ in gold, so just kept it like that. There's no point in me adding more when I learned from one guy who just did GJ in gold, so extra effort, extra work to just add another pair. I feel a lot of people add loads of pairs so then they're not bored in the day and they can take loads of trades, but you're never going to be a master of one pair if you've got fucking 6 or 7 pairs. So I'd rather focus on 2 pairs and really master them and get used to them and how they move in the sessions that you trade them, instead of taking 10 million trades on different pairs. If you're not going to be the master of them, you're not going to really know how price moves. Thank you for sharing Helpy FX Forex signals yesterday. I googled it and they seem really nice. Amazing, thank you for your ad. So there we go, reacted off the levels. So just remember, always look at the higher time frames. Don't get sucked into one time frame, right? You could be looking at the 5 minute going, yeah, this is going to go. You take a buy, like, you know, when it comes in the zone, just thinking it's going to push. But you need to remember that it is just a 30 minute coming to retest the Asian lows to then maybe reflip and continue. So just be a little bit cautious. Always check the other time frames. Make sure they make sense. Look at the hourly here. The hourly is just retested the level. It's just broken out of. So always try and put things in confluence with each other, not just one. It's a mixture of things. Okay, mixture. Let me actually take a look somewhere else. That's do. Ooh. So now it's in a delicate situation, right? Right at 1752, you can either reject there to then continue back below to 1749, or maybe back up to 1755. Yo, been a while, boys. Oh, Connor, how you doing, my man? Are you still traveling? How's it been? Hope you're doing well, brother. Right, the closure of the 15 before taking a trade. Yeah. Do. And Alexa. I used to like my Alexa actually. I don't know why I don't really use it anymore. Did I even bring it with me? I swear I did. Are they really cheap again? Yeah. This is the 5th release one. Oh, it's got the time on it. I quite like the time on it. That's pretty cool. Why has that one got no time on it? Do, 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 do. With clock is there. Do, 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 do. Oh, the Philips Hue smart bulbs. That's what I might try and get for the new gaff, actually. That's a great idea. Are these really cheap now? Fucking hell. All new Echo Dot with clock, cloud blue, and Philips Hue white smart light bulb. Ah, yes. That is good. Straight in my basket. Wait, 2 light bulbs. So then go, Alexa, turn the light off. Ah, yes.
Is that what it does?
Yeah. You can get it to do loads of stuff. My dad has made the house at home like a fucking Tony Stark layer. Like you can just talk randomly. Alexa, do this. Alexa, open the door. Alexa, open the gate. Alexa, lock the door. You know, it's fucking sick.
Fucking hell, Goldie launched, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right at that level, right? It bounces off 1752. Are you taking trade on gold? Yeah, I took one before. My man, actually, yeah, let's just write this on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Was it Tyler earlier that was talking about the OB?
Yeah.
I missed it, man.
I know, I saw, mate. I was watching it as well. I didn't quite get it.
The low one.
So there was one right above it.
I papered it.
5 minute.
I papered
A
it.
tiny one right above it, and it tapped that one perfect.
On the 1 minute?
No, on the 5. If you go back to basically yesterday's open,
Yeah.
I put mine at the lowest candle, which is also a 15 OB, but there was a small 5 minute candle right before or right after it, and it tapped that one perfect. Which that one, in hindsight, did mitigate the first one, so that probably would have been better.
30-minute hit.
On mine, the 30 hit. The 15 didn't. The 15 was slightly lower on mine.
Yeah, 10 pip stop. Nice.
And then on the 5, it did tap.
Tapped it a bat.
Yeah, so it's all right. At least I didn't take a losing trade.
Good boy.
But yeah, that one that looks like it would have ran nicely.
Still opportunity though when this closes back in 5 minutes time. Make a lower wick, retest entry. To be fair, it's just where you put your stops. If this 30-minute closes and retests. 24 pips
Yeah,
stop.
but look at this. Had it tapped me in perfectly. Wait, I'm up 36 pips right now. It's 3-1.
Beautiful. Anyone got
And of course, going back, still in the range.
Yeah. Anyone got the flight simulator? Oh, I think my dad plays on that. Yeah. That all the you get all the sticks and the gears and that. That's pretty cool. Four minutes left for this candle to close. Yeah, that'd be nice. You can actually use that stop there for 20 pips. That'd be nice. GJ's still not really doing much. Oh my god. We've got a baby Grogu holder for the Alexa. That's fucking sick. That's some nerdy shit.
It's a strong 5-minute closure.
Yep. Oh yeah. An hourly resistance though? Yeah, that's true. It's true. Yeah, it's still below all these supports. We'll see. Looking like GJ's finally getting some legs over here. 5-minute time frames all pushing up, breaking daily highs. Not daily highs, sorry, daily flips. Bro, I'm in New York for a few days. I just got here and there's a mice in the house. Oof. Damn.
I wonder how the weekly on gold's gonna close, because it's interesting.
Yeah, well, it's gonna close right in the weekly. Yeah, it's gonna close at literally the entry. Hasn't done much this week, eh?
Yeah.
What about GJ as well? So, yeah, GJ's pushed up, but that was literally done in the first day. Monday literally pushed it up, and it's just rearranging the whole time.
I think it's with, there was some couple days of news, right? And then the holiday in the US.
Yeah.
So
a lot of news messed it up a little bit. Yeah, actually, there's a good point here. A lot, if you guys took a lot of losing trades this week and you've actually overtraded, sorry, if you've taken like a lot of losing trades and you've actually been kind of down quite a lot, the issue you've got over here is that price actually hasn't moved that far in terms of price really over for GG and gold. So it does tend to suggest that you've just been overtrading a range. You know what I mean? So like prices moved loads. So you probably need to dial it down a little bit. In terms of when there's no volume and stuff, just sit back and, you know, people could be taking so many GJ trades this week, but you would, I mean, it was absolutely disgusting really for most of it.
But there were a couple good ranges, or like there were a couple good pushes, right, when we were looking at it. And if you were able to catch those, great.
Great, yeah. If you didn't get the push, you're pretty done for the day. Yeah. Yeah. Let's look at Goldie now. Yeah, see, it's still reacting off that level. So it's just using your higher time frame, just being a little bit careful there. If you got the Asian soup, or if you got in on like a 15 minute, maybe the 15 bullish closure, you've got to close some there when you hit these supports and the hourlies, 100%.
If we can break yesterday's low, we're good for sells.
Yesterday's low, yeah,
on the daily?
100%, yeah. Can I see here? Is it? Yeah, yesterday's low is just here, 1749. Yeah, because then the zone below is
we got clear
hella clean. Yeah. 1745. That would be tasty.
We might have a trade for New York session.
Maybe. I'm quite proud of myself. I only took 8 trades this whole week and up 2% compared to my 20 trades the week before, and being down -5%. The week before down, I took 9 trades and it was up 6%. So I'm up overall. Very, very nice. Well done. So see, less amount of trades. I generally think this. The less amount of trades you take, especially at the start, the more profitable you're going to be. Because it's just when you overtrade, you take so many fucking trades. You need to remember, your brain is not, you know, set to do fucking 20 trades a day like Tom or Brian's are at the start. You know, you gotta work into it. If you take loads of trades at the start like that when you're younger, the emotional, you know, situation of taking, you know, risking your money every single fucking 30 minutes is hard. So you got to just get used to maybe just taking, and this is why I like Rajan, how he taught everything. Taking the same sit-ups like every single day, getting used to just taking the same one every day and then just leaving the day. It gets you a good basis because you're just taking the one trade that you know works quite a lot of times every single day and then moving on. And it's also amazing when price is in a sticky situation or it's not working well, because you take your one trade, you leave it. What normally would happen is back in the day when I was younger is you take like, it'd be a ranging day, it'd be shit price action, but because you're just in for it for that day for some retarded reason, you'll take like 30 trades and then you'll look at the end. You spunk 20% of your account and you look and you go, it literally hasn't moved at all today. Like, why did I even take one trade? Never mind 30. So it's good discipline to get into. Good discipline. If this 50-minute low is broken, then the sell trade is valid. This 50-minute low, previous, yeah, 50-minute low, yeah, you could do. A bit aggressive, but it could be nice. 30-minute closed, yeah. How much would you stop be in the previous? 18 pips.
And it's a good rejection.
Yeah, it is. It's just right at that 1752 is my only cause for concern because you can still react off it. I think I'm
jump in that use a lower risk for sure.
Yeah, it's just what we were talking about before in terms of the actual gold bias for us. It really is bullish in it, really, unless we break these lows down here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, it's not
on the higher time frame. Yeah.
Higher time frame daily looks like it's just making the lower wick and then continue bullish later on. The hourly, we came to a level of support, we reacted off it pretty hard. The 30-minute just closed bullish above the previous resistance here, so it's a tricky one. But in terms of an impulse, you could just get maybe a little bit of a push. Take a look at the 5 now, breaking nearly previous lows.
Pushing up.
Yeah, it's a hard one.
If that's part of your trading plan, hey.
100%. Onion on 50-minute now, XD, right. To see, you could easily fill this wick pretty quick. It's a sticky situation, yeah, because the hourly could easily flip here and you can go from bullish to bearish really quickly, or you can go from bearish to bullish really quickly here. Look at that, GJ rejected again, just fucked everyone over. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, straight back into that area. Nice! Some people have been clearly not Thanksgiving on GJ. They'll be giving it some time over here. They'll be punching their desk. They'll be pissed off. Where's GJ not moving today?
Yeah, right, we got to get a closure above or below the Asian range on GJ. It's kind of messy.
Yeah, it's so bad. There's so many resistances, so many supports. It's nasty.
Yeah. I like the above, personally. Looks a lot cleaner.
Yeah, 100%. I think I'm calling it a week up 3%. Very, very well done. Amazing. Exactly. Maybe, you know, at the end of the week, you're happy with your gains. Maybe just look and think of maybe what you could do to get that percentage better. You know, did you manage risk on your losing trades? If you took any losing trades, or etc. etc. For me personally, for this week, maybe the only thing is not brushing my teeth, because when I brush my teeth, I miss a trade. Maybe brushing my teeth before stream, but then I can't have a coffee because brushing your teeth before coffee is just like wiping your ass before shit. It's like there's no point. This week GJ is a no-no. Yeah. So yeah, if we went through this week in terms of risk management, in the EJ trade I risk managed from 14 pips to 8, and then we obviously launched, which was great. Gold break-even one here got to around about 13 pips, but for me I wanted more at the move, so I'm happy with taking the break-even hit there. Yeah. The wins are all good as well because they're all before closures. They were all before like a 30-minute closure. This is all before an hourly closure. I wanted the move to get pushed quickly, so that was also good. GJ has bad volume this week. No trade taken on it for me. Do you take some on GJ this week? Nope, didn't take any either. There was some nice move, a nice Asian soup I think yesterday, but for the most part, yeah, it wasn't too good.
There are a couple pushes we just missed them because we were looking at other trades.
Yeah, we were either in gold sweating our nutsack off at fucking break even, or yeah, that's quite annoying. Now I hate that where you're just sitting in a trade like, oh, this GJ trade looks good.
Like, when was the good one? On the 23rd.
Yeah.
Because there was a closure above the retail.
Yeah, it was a massive push. Nice. It's a massive push. Yes.
Guys, were you saying the OB on gold? It was tapped on the 30, right? There's that one on the 30.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, tapped the 30.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on the 5.
Oh, on the 5 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't used that day. Yeah, it wasn't used that day as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold's kind of chalked for a little bit.
What is?
Gold, it's kind of chalked for a little bit.
Yeah. Well, it's just, if you're in a trade and you break even, then you're good. You're gonna get some push here, but either for buys or sells, I don't know. I tried this level. So what I mean by this in terms of zones and like what we're looking at is, if I have my zone like from here to here, right? And this is zone 1 and this is zone 2. We're literally at the support of zone 1, at the resistance of zone 2. So it's like, oh, it's gonna break up. It hasn't really closed above strongly in this kind of like here. We're still floating around in zone 1, but this could easily just reverse, close below zone 2, and then fill zone 2 again. So it's a hard one.
And I think if it goes into zone 1, it's going to give a strong push if it finally
100%.
does.
Yeah.
And if you're not in it early, right, you're going to miss the whole thing. But there's no way to get into it.
Yeah. The only real way to get into it here probably is this 5-minute break at the high there.
It's risky.
Yeah, it's too far in the zone as well.
Yeah, because the supports.
And then, yeah,
Or the
it's right,
resistance is-
resistance
yeah.
there as well. Yep.
It's a rough one.
Yep. Oh, look at that GJ retracement. Look at that GJ retracement. Okay. 50-minute close bullish above everything. Made the lower wick. Start to flip now. 30-minute time frame also. But obviously in terms of zones above, you'd just be struggling for TPs and stuff. You'll be struggling a little. Is there a double XP weekend on that? Oh, I haven't seen it. Double XP. Actually took 2 trades in GJ this week. One was a 1.5 winner, and other was a break-even trade less than 0.3. Just really picked those trades out. Nice. Was a 1.5 winner the closure above 280? I think a lot of people took that one. A lot of people took that trade. Yeah, 3 minutes just on the range here. Right at that level. Where's it gonna do? Where's it gonna go? Hey man, I'm sure you already answered this, but is there much point trading today as it's Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving was yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, Thanksgiving's ending. Yeah, because I just had Thanksgiving dinner a couple hours ago.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for you guys, that was yesterday.
Yeah. That shit's confusing, bro. This world's mad. Black Friday too, though. Yeah, well, it's like a volume, right? But I mean, you can see that pretty easy from the charts. Goldie though this morning was quite nice. I mean, trying to think of maybe resistance forming, maybe a little bit higher up. Yeah. People don't know how to read the calendar or what? Why is the Thanksgiving Day on this one? Is it because of the, what did you say? It's the first time like they met the Native Americans.
You know, I'm not good with my history, brother. Yeah, and it's a Friday. A lot of people don't even trade Friday.
Yeah, exactly. Many markets may trade short hours in futures and stocks as traders and people get back to leftovers from Thanksgiving. Very true. Very, very true. You're right, Max. It's the conglomerate, the Pilgrim's harvest meal that they shared with. Ah, nice. It's weird we don't have Thanksgiving. Christmas is essentially Thanksgiving, yeah. Do you not eat turkey on Christmas in America? No, I think they do, don't they? Or is it something else? Wouldn't that just be the same meal? Like, just like an...
And like ham. Like a Christmas ham.
Christmas ham, ah.
But turkey, yeah.
Oh, it's making me hungry, man. A Sunday lunch. Oh my god. I had one last week on Sunday. It was unreal. But there's one thing, right? Let me ask you a question. If you guys get this wrong, you're fucking pedophiles, okay? When you go to Sunday lunch, okay, and you know you get your Sunday lunch, it's put on the thing, it's put on the meal. You go, oh, would you guys like anything else? What is the one answer? You always have to answer this question. It's the same answer every time. Yeah, you could also have, you know, mint sauce, whatever. But what is the thing that comes out of your mouth every time? Every time they go, do you want anything else? You know, do you need anything else? Nothing about drinks. Something to do with your meal. What would? Yes, Nick's got it right. An extra pot of gravy, motherfucker. I want that shit guzzled in gravy. I want that shit swimming. I don't want none of my meal that's not fucking gravy all over. Hell yeah. People who have dry Sunday lunches, my god, that's some fucking...
Horrendous.
That's horrendous. That should be criminal. That literally should be criminal. A massive pot of gravy. And if that's enough, I'll have another one as well.
What does like gravy taste like?
Wait, you've never had gravy?
No.
Mate, gravy is hard. Gravy is fucking sexual.
I've just never like been amused like with the texture and shit. Like,
yeah. Oh, you're a picky cunt, aren't you? I can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. You eat chicken nuggets and chips. That's your diet.
Nah, I eat chicken, rice, pizza, and and pasta.
And you're
That's
like
it.
6'7". Fuck me. You got some growth on you for not eating much. You're not eating your greens, boy.
Yeah. I think all the chicken, I bet.
What are you thinking if we close below the previous 15?
I know, I'm thinking that. We'll see when this closes. I think it could be quite nice, especially if it breaks the low at the same time as well. How can you explain gravy to someone? It's just like a meaty, hot, like, I don't know.
Delicious.
It's fucking gorgeous.
It's delicious. If you've never had it, you need to try it.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah. And none of that watery gravy either. It's got to be good shit gravy.
Yeah, the gold looks nice, Tom. Possibly we need a closure.
Yeah, but you poms have glue for gravy, brown powder, vomit. I fucking knew Brian was gonna say something about gravy. Nah, Brian, we have top-notch. Obviously, not the gravy you make it like when you have little fucking things, like a proper gravy with like the meat juices and stuff. Oh, I'm really hungry now. I might order a Sunday lunch. I'm not gonna lie. Butter chicken, any gravy in the world. Butter chicken's good, but chicken good, but it isn't gravy. Oh, breaking the lows already.
I was hoping for a top wick.
Yeah, me too. To be honest with you, I'm a bit cautious of this zone because there's still a 30-minute support here as well. And my kind of bias and gold is buy, so just because this hourly can still it's still flipping. Let's look at the 30, 14 minutes left. This can easily just reflip in the zone. All of my losing trades this month has been from me fucking around at a level that's a support and a resistance, like this, taking a buy and then a sell, then a buy and a sell, and a buy and a sell. Both, like, I can literally do it here. So when I look back at my trades, this one here, this GJ is a 1 second. Let me highlight. This GJ one here was a sell and a buy at the exact same point. Both lost. This one here, gold, was a 2 trying to buy at this level, and it was like the same kind of thing. I think there's another GJ one as well. Oh no, it was this one here. Yeah, this here, there, taking an L and a break even. At a level where, as I talked about before, is either a support or resistance of 2 zones, and if it's not obvious which direction it's going, I think I'm just gonna leave it, mate. Yeah. My issue is that the 50-minute obviously it's closed below, great. There's obviously a little bit of minor support there, which is okay, but my issue is one little push to the upside makes the candle look like this, and then that doesn't look too good, does it? You know, that's literally only a couple pips. same vice versa, right? If you're looking for buys, if it reflips a candle and the hourly reflips, it doesn't look good for the buys either. So, yeah, learning from my mistakes in this month in terms of my losing trades, and I'm just gonna implement that. If it's not obvious, I'm just gonna leave it. So 50-minute coming down here, still hasn't made a top wick. See, back to this little 30-minute support. Very nice.
For me, had it opened did the top wick, I think it would have been nice because about a 12 pip stop.
Stop, yeah.
For 18 pip to the bottom of the wick.
Frothing for a Yorkshire pudding.
Andrew, what restaurant? Do I need to be careful if I go to that restaurant?
Wait, what? I worked 4 months in the restaurant in USA once summer and never touched that gravy. Can't understand how people eat that shit. Oh God, what was it?
Oh, okay. It's not something they were doing weird.
Oh, you just don't like gravy as a whole? You just don't like how it looks? Yeah. Maryland. You can wait for the 1 hour close to see the direction of price. Yeah, exactly. What you can do.
I knew this one kid who had a birthmark on his cheek.
Yeah.
Everyone called him Gravy Stain.
Oh, bless him. I fucking hate shit like that, man. Oh God.
No,
kids
that
are
was
such,
like
kids
his
are such
name, bro.
cunts.
No, but like that was his name. Like he absorbed that name. Like that was his name.
Well,
So,
there was no option, bro.
Yeah, no option. You know what I mean?
He didn't just pick it. He just know everyone's gonna fucking call him that. He can't change it. Man, kids are such cunts, don't you think? My God, I look back and oh my God, my kids are so mad.
Tom, did you get in?
Fucking 50-minute no top wick.
No, apparently not.
Nah, Tom wanted the top wick, 100%.
Yeah, me too. Let's see if we can get a closure below.
I might just wait below 49, me. Bearish zone.
Yeah, 49. We can close below that. Oof,
yeah.
That's nice. GJ still messing about.
Still messing about. It's still there, yeah. It's not doing anything, my God. Having gold sales but gone break even already. Nice. Yeah, I think there's enough volume for it to push. I think there's enough volume here. I think it'll be good.
Got some nice paper trades this morning, Max.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Make sure you put them in the chat, and we can all look at them as well. See, like maybe annotate them a little bit. We'll see.
Oh, we kind of talked about. I got like the 1 hour retest.
Yeah. 1 hour retest, beautiful.
Yeah, got that one.
Hey, Polly, just wondering. So you're saying that your paper trades are working out, but when you do them live, they're not.
Yeah. So I lost. I'm like down only a small amount, but yeah, it's like really fucking annoying.
Yeah.
When you're doing the paper trades, are you doing everything that you would do if it was a live trade, such as like moving to break even at the same time and stuff like that?
Yeah,
I think it. Yeah, but do you know that one that you took yesterday when you took the sell too early?
Yeah.
If you paper traded that, what would have been the confidence? You know what I mean? I think that one you wouldn't have taken if it was if it's a paper trade, because the confidence was that it's a resistance, one candle goes bearish, but it wasn't really a structure that we go through. Or so I think it's hard though in hindsight, like looking back, isn't it? Like it's hard to kind of judge.
Yeah, that one I like literally got. Yeah, I mean it obviously. I should have anticipated it coming up to create a double top, I guess. I mean, it was a high risk trade anyway, because it was kind of just off the Asian highs, right?
Yeah.
And then it came up and double topped and just kind of swept a little bit higher and then dropped.
It could be that you're seeing these paper trades because, like, you know in your head, in the back of your head, like you know that there's no risk behind it, so you might see more trades. But then when it,
I think I'm definitely more relaxed when I'm paper trading, defo.
Yeah, so like, say if you would be more hesitant to take the same trade, you know what I mean? If it might look like a little bit different, but it's still the same trade.
The good thing is, though, if you look at all your paper trades, you'll start to get a little catalogue of them. And do you have screenshots? Try and take a screenshot of them.
No, that's what, you know what? I've got a few things I need to sort out. I need to sort out my journal. I need to start doing that properly so that I can see what I'm actually, you know, so I can look back and yeah.
Because if you start to see a pattern, like just from the eyes, like and you're putting your journal at work, then you'll just easily just take it. You know, it's like playing a game of I don't know, it's like playing COD, right? You see a shooter running past, well, you just shoot him, right? That's literally all it is. And that's why, you know, when Brian came on, he says, you know, the M's and W's, you know, I see them all the time when they work out. That's just from visualizing it. And then obviously you go back and you look and you paper trade and you see them happening. And then when they come, you just go, okay, there's an M here, right? Okay, I know it works 80% of the time. Sell, don't, you know, no emotion, just take it, right? Win, loss, whatever, move on. Yeah. Because you have the confidence that you know it works 70, 80% of the time, and then you just take them, you know. Gives you that little confidence boost. This GJ, another lower wick, looks good for this to push over here. Nice. Obviously, up to this little OB thing, which is a little bit nasty. I don't know if this is an OB because it didn't break structure really, but it's an area that I rejected off, so I'd hit break even there. No motion of paper trades, yeah.
Like a closure above that Asian range.
Yep. Yep.
Probably, what platform do you trade on again? Because you don't use MetaTrader, right?
Are you Paulie?
Yeah, Paulie.
He uses MetaTrader, but he doesn't use IC Market as a broker.
Oh, sorry guys, I muted it. XTB.
XTB. I'm not familiar with that one. Let me look it up. Oh, so you trade on that platform?
Yes.
Like their own platform?
Yeah.
Ah, so you actually don't trade a MetaTrader?
No.
No. It's that broker's platform.
Ah.
Yeah.
No juice closing?
It's the Conor McGregor platform, right?
XTB.
Yeah, he's on the. I'm on their website right now.
XTB
I see ads on YouTube all the time. I see his ads all the time. It's so funny.
What
do you see them? I don't see one. All I get are fucking Greg Secker.
Yeah.
I'm on YouTube. Greg Secker and the other dude, the Asian dude.
I get so many. I get Greg Secker. If you're profitable, skip this ad now.
Yeah.
We'll pass your FTMO challenge and give you funded. Get that one like every day as well. I'm like, oh fucking hell!
Nah, you see the Conor McGregor one. He just walks into the barber shop and he's like, "I want to look like a trader."
Is that what he says?
Yeah.
That's great. Looking like this gold volume is slowing down, maybe a little bit. The 1 minute time frames are slowing down a little bit. Still see how these cells work out. Closing in 4 minutes time. Let's look at GJ. GJ made a little good rocket after, to be fair. How big was the stop here? Obviously it's, you know, the candle's a little bit shady, but made the low wick first and the push off. 12 pip stop. 14 pip game. What was the confluence though? You know what I mean? It's just looking at bullish momentum, right? You got a couple of bullish candle closures on the 15. Nice low wicks, nice rejection. Daily time frame, they're nothing too much, so these are the ones that Raja takes, and I just can't fathom how he just takes them. I generally, and like when I even hear him like go over it, he just goes, yeah, you know, there's clean candle to the left, and I just took a buy, and it ran like fucking 30 pips. I go, what? It's just launched, like it's just fucking launched 30 pips. He's like, yeah, you know, price, you know, holding support here. I just took a buy right there, and it just launched. I'm like, okay, fair enough. That seems to happen on GJ every so often, like in the mornings. Like, you just look to the left and just take an impulse buy on GJ and it'll run fucking 40 pips. Raja just makes it sound so easy. some of his trades that he takes, I try and I like focus, and like, because obviously he's the fucking GOAT, right? I try and focus, go, oh, like, how did he get in here? And he just goes, well, you know, GJ looked bullish, man, just took a buy there. Stop loss there, and it won. It's like, great. That's all he had to say, really. Bro, Raja always loses in live streams. Yeah, but he makes his money. He makes his money in London. I don't think he's legit. Nah, bro, I'm telling you right now, he is legit. He is the most legit person. I watched him for 2 years. 2 years straight. He just NY is shit. I'm telling you, NY at the moment is, and you know, recently he's been shit. That's why he reduces his lot size at the time. Trust me, he's 100% legit. Anyone who discredits Raja, my lord have mercy. Yeah, it's annoying to see when his NY trades don't run massively, and it would be lovely to see, you know, him in real time holding a trade on, because he doesn't really show you how he holds a trade on for very long, which is what I'm trying to teach myself, right? When, you know, the ones that hold. But like, you know, there'd be times where he's just in a trade and he holds it for 40 pips, and it came in 20 pips profit, came back to his entry, he still held, and then it launched. Like, oh man, but the whole thing you've been teaching us is, you know, take your 10, 20 pips, stop us to break even, and see how far it runs. Like, but you held it. So it's like, what fucking market maker you been ringing to hold that bitch on? Do you also desire 20% per month? 100%. And it comes from holding positions. That's all it is. You know, I can consistently now make 10%, you know, 8% a month. That's great, and I've been doing that for fucking years. But getting to that next level where it's like 20, 30, 40% a month, it is just holding your trades on. If you look at the ones in April, I held on quite a lot of them, and that's what gave me the 37%. So it's just holding trades on, but find out which ones to hold. You know, you need a lot of volume, and you need to be able to be also reasonable where, if price goes 10, 15 pips in profit, and you're looking for a, you know, more of a 30, 40 pip move, then you've got to be happy taking that trade off at break even, and not being upset that you've just missed out on 1.4% because you're trying to gain 4. So it's that mentality you got to do, which is mad. So yeah, it's just how easy to trade $1 million after he opened a brokerage. Bro! It made money before the broker, man. Doesn't matter about the broker. He takes all the trade. He talks about every single trade he takes. Untested to untested works nice in a range. 100%. Look at that little W forming on Goldie. 30% is my minimum less, and the stress kicks in. Look at Bat Ryan over here, Billy Big Bollocks. We need higher time frame with you. I'm in gold buys. Yeah, they're looking pretty good, eh?
I'm so glad I missed my entry on gold earlier, because the higher time frame looks like it's, oof.
Yeah.
It's gonna go north.
Well, we'll take a look, right? Because if this W closes above, stop loss is quite big, but we can maybe manage it a little bit, because if this candle closes above, that'll be also the 15, you know, potentially later on closing above and then retesting stop loss below like that, then ride up. We could get maybe
lower time frame.
Breaking the previous 50-minute high.
Oof.
Or 30-minute high. See what I mean, guys? So in terms of this area, I've seen it happen a lot. Very, very sticky situation. I want to let it
Tom's like, relax.
I'm in. Bam, 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 bam. I'm already in when it broke 50-minute high. Yeah, I was thinking 50-minute high. Oh, here? Or the previous, like there. Yeah, because the 15-minute closed back bullish. Yeah, that's nice. Nice work, man.
It just tapped that OB, which is a nice TP. On the 3-minute OB. I don't even know if those are valid or not, but nice place to take profit on a small scalp.
30% a month consistently is unrealistic, so is 10% a month. Okay. Okay.
You didn't see the results for last month.
Yeah. You can't even see otherwise because literally now I've got my stop, I've got my closing 80%, everything is percentage on 1.4%. It's very realistic as time goes on. At the start, of course, it's not realistic, but as time goes on and you get used to taking the same trades again and again, of course, it's realistic.
Did you tap the 1 minute?
Huh?
Oh no, I'm looking at where gold reacted.
What do you think about GA?
GA. Well, overall, I fucking think it's dog shit. But let's take a look right now. That's 4-hour res, which just reacted off. The zone's a bit shit, do you not think? There's loads of resistances here. Buys above. But then let's look at the daily time frame. Yeah, this is washed, bro. Look at the daily time frame. Last one closed doji, showing indecision of where price wants to go.
GA used to be so nice for me, but now it's just fucking ass.
That is a nice trade here. This is GJ. Brian would be fucking balls deep in this one. Candle comes to support, rejects, closes back above Asian, sweeps the Asian lows. And you get the lower the zone as well. Look at Goldie. What the fuck is Goldie doing? Yeah, I'm gonna sit out over here on Goldie.
See, it's forming a wedge, and it'll break up or down off that wedge.
Yeah. Yeah, I just saw Phoenix take 2 L's on Goldie. Yeah, it's just that area can be a little bit, and that's generally from looking at my data to show this, especially in these areas where price just doesn't really give me that kind of structure of where price goes. I can fuck around here for ages. I'm sitting back in this area right now. I have a little question. How did you grow your account? I used funding talent to fund it, and that worked really well, man. That was really good. If I could make that company back, it worked a treat. I wonder why she got done for it though. Because the bi-weekly payouts, I just did the math. I was like, oh, this one actually makes sense. I can actually make money pretty quickly in this one, and the payouts were good.
Have you seen Funded Trader Plus? Their plan?
Funded Trader no. Why is it plus?
Their plan is pretty solid once you gain a little bit of equity. So with their funded program, it's low drawdown, right? But once you get up to 10% profit, your drawdown always goes down to whatever your account size was. So let's say you build up 20%. You have 20% of drawdown, and there's no daily limits.
Interesting.
So at first, your drawdown's kind of shitty.
And then they put it up.
But as you grow your account, which you should be doing anyway, your drawdown will stay. Let's say you bought a 100,000 account, your drawdown will always be benchmarked at 100,000. So if you're at 150, you have 50,000 of drawdown you could do.
Yeah. That's pretty decent. It's funny for people though for doing that. Imagine if they passed their thing and now they've got access to fucking 20% gains and they just start over trading it. But if you get to that point anyway, you're consistent, then you'd be pretty good with it. Very nice. Yeah, looking like Goldie's just ranging right now. I'm gonna back off it, I think, over here. Yeah, 1 mil, I don't need 30%. So 906. So yeah, later on, obviously GJ buys maybe if you get above the Asian highs. Goldie sells. I'm still waiting for Goldie sells below 1749. I'm gonna have actually an alert there because I think it's gonna be reasonable to have an alert down there. Because once we do that, we're breaking daily lows, and we've got such a clean zone. We've got a fair value gap there, which can be filled. So I'm really, really excited to get that trade down there, to be honest with you. Gold hard but once you get a comfort with it, it'll pay. All this week I was watching and not trading so much. People need to understand that watching and analyzing is part of trading. Pay more attention to price and less to crazy percentage. I saw at least 5 good trades today on gold, but decided to watch 100%. Yeah. In terms of price action, when gold is nice, like just the way things move, right? Price breaks this area. We know it likes to come retest. You could take in that sell there. Price then breaks below this area. It likes to retest the level that's just broken out of here. Then obviously price pushes below. That we then also get a massive push up later on, which retests the Asian highs, which is this one here, which is the hourly top wick. You would have also made some money on that one. So yeah, there's a lot, especially with price, and that's what I think we're going as a group, just like learning. You know, gold especially loves to break a level and retest it. Like, it happens all the time. Break a level, retest the level. Break the level, retest nearly the level. It likes to do it a lot. For me, that way gold moves today's perfect low time frame. Just, yeah, 100%. 100%. Let's take a look here. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it off over here, guys. Just gonna wait for 1749 below there. Then I'm gonna take a nice trade down there, and that'll probably finish our 100% win rate off for this week. So very nice. Obviously, not too many trades today. Took 6 trades, 3 winners, 3% up. So yeah, good stuff. And considering GJ wasn't there, it was all on gold and 1 on EJ. Pretty good, man. So thank you so much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave, and we'll see you guys later on, man.
Have a good one, guys.
See you later, guys. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. See you later, CNY. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure to enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys. See you later, alligator.